How to use bitmoji key background on Android phone. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 million ideas YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to use bitmoji key background on Android phone. So to use your bitmoji, first you have to go to your Snapchat application, and after going to Snapchat, what you have to do is just click on your profile icon on the top left of your screen, and after going here just scroll down and you will find your bitmoji. Edit your bitmoji here, so you can edit your bitmoji here by clicking here, and then you can see you can change your hairstyle or anything. You can change your mustache, you can change your color, hair color, everything. So I will just select a random picture, and then after editing, what you can do is just press and hold on this icon. You can see here bitmoji icon, so just click here, and then after that you can see here save snap code. So just click on save snap code, so just click here, and then it has been saved. So now go back to your menu and then go to your gallery here. After going to gallery, recent, and then just select this, and after selecting this, what you have to do is just click on more, and then you have to click on set as wallpaper and apply it, set bot. So now you can see my phone background has been changed to my bitmoji. So guys, this is how you can change your bitmoji background in your Android phone. Thanks for watching.